Good day, great students. Today we're working on Excel 2019 in practice, Chapter 3, Guided Project 3-3. First thing we're going to do is click on our Start file. After our file downloads, we're going to open it up. Make it a little bit bigger. And we're going to click on Enable Editing at the top. Number 2 says that we are going to create a pie chart object. So we're going to select the revenue by department sheet. That's this one. Select cells A4 through F4. So A4 is department through F4 all the way over to St. Louis. We're going to press and hold the control button on the keyboard. And then we're going to select cells A13 where it says golf all the way over to F13. Let go of the control button. Then we're going to go and click the recommended charts button. It's on the Insert tab in the Charts group. This is the recommended charts button. We're going to choose Pie and click OK. Number 3 says apply a chart style. So select the chart object. Click the More button. It's in the Chart Tools Design tab. And we're going to select Style 12. Step 4 says Size and Position a chart object. Point to the chart object border to display the move pointer. This little arrow, you see it's it's an open plus sign. When you get close to the border, you'll see it looks like a 4-way jack. That is the chart move pointer. Drag the chart object so its top left corner is at cell A21. So this corner here, top left, click, hold, drag, and we're going to put it at cell A21. Point to the bottom right section, selection handle to display the resize arrow. This is the resize arrow. It should be an arrow pointing in opposite directions, just the diagonal. Drag the pointer so that it stops at cell G36. So we're going to come down to 36. We're going to come over to G. And we're going to stop right here. Number 5 says change the chart type. Select the pie chart object and click Change Chart Type button. It's in the Chart Tools Design tab, Chart Tools Design tab, and the Type group. So this is the Type group. Click on Change Chart Type. Select the All Charts tab and choose Pie in the left pane. Choose 3D Pie and click OK. Step 6. Format pie chart elements. Double-click the pie to open its Format Data Series Task pane. Click the Atlanta slice to update the pane to the Format Data Point task pane. This is the Format Data Point task pane. Rest the pointer on a slice to see its identifying screen tip. So if I hold my pointer over here, it should say that's San Diego. That's Atlanta. So we want this one. Click here for the Atlanta. Over here you have Format Data Point. Click the Series Options button in the Format Data Series task pane. This is the Series Options button. Select the pie explosion percentage at 10%. Point explosion is now 0. Click the up arrow until you get to 10%. Close the task pane. Click the chart object border to deselect Atlanta. Step 7. Add and format chart elements in a pie chart. Click the Chart Elements button in the top right corner of the chart. This is the Chart Elements button. Click it. Select Data Labels box. Click the Data Labels arrow to open its submenu and choose More Options. If necessary, click the Label Options button in the Format Data Labels pane. We're in Label Options. It's already open. Select the percentage box. Deselect value, that means uncheck value. Press Control B on your keyboard. And it should have made your text bold. Change the font size to 12 point. So go to the Home tab. If you did do the Control B, you should see here now that the B is highlighted like it's bold. Change the font to 12 point. Click the chart object border to select it. Click the Shape Outline button. It's in the Chart Tools, Format tab, Shape Styles group, Shape Outline. Choose purple, accent 4, darker, 50%. Click the Shape Outline button and choose weight and 1 point. Click a worksheet cell to deselect the chart, and you should see your border around your chart. Step 8 says create a line chart sheet. Select the Atlanta Revenue Sheet tab. Go down to the bottom. See it says Atlanta Revenue Sheet. Click here, and your new sheet tab opens up. Select cells A4 through E7. Click the Quick Analysis button and choose Charts. This is the Quick Analysis button. Click it, and we're going to click on Charts. We're going to select Line. Now you have your chart selected. You should have a Chart Tools Format and Design tab. We're going to click the Move Chart button. It's in the Location section. We're going to click New Sheet, and we're going to type Promo Departments. And click OK. It moves it to its own sheet. Step 9 says apply a chart layout. Click the Quick Layout button, Chart Tools Design tab, Chart Layouts group. Select Layout 5. To add a data table to the chart sheet. This is our data table that it added. Step 10 says change the chart type. Click the Change Chart Type button here in the Type group under Chart Tools, Design tab. Select the All Charts button and choose Line with Markers and click OK. Number 11, edit chart elements in a line chart. Click the chart title placeholder. Type Special Promotion. Departments. So your title should read now Special Promotion Departments. Click the vertical axes title placeholder. Type dollar store sales in the formula bar. And press enter. Click the chart elements drop down arrow. It's in the Chart Tools, Format tab. Under Current Selection, this is your chart elements drop down arrow. You're looking for Series Apparel. To select the line in the chart, click the Format Selection button. It's right below. Click the Fill and Line button in the Format Data Series over here. Click Marker, and then click Marker Options. Choose Built-in and set size 10. Click the series options triangle at the top of the task pane and choose Series Baseball. Apply the same marker changes for the baseball series. So I click on built-in, change it to 10. Select the basketball series and apply the same marker changes to it. Select built-in, change it to 10. Close the task pane and click outside the chart. So close the task pane, click outside the chart. Number 12 says insert spark lines in the worksheet. Click the Atlanta Revenue tab. Right-click the column F heading and choose Insert. So I'm going to put my cursor here until it's pointing to a solid black arrow. I'm going to right-click. My context menu pops up. I'm going to click on Insert, and it automatically inserts a blank column. We're going to select cells B5 through E18 as the data range, and we're going to click the Line Spark Line button. It's on the Insert tab in the Spark Lines group. So click Line. Select cells F5 for F18 for the location range, which is here, and click OK. Format spark lines in the worksheet. Click the Format button. It's on the Home tab in the Sales group. And we're going to change the row height to 24. So select row height, change it to 24. Go ahead and click OK. Click the Format button again, and we're going to set the column width to 35. Select the Markers box in the Show group in the Spark Lines Design Tool tab. So Spark Lines Design Tool. We are looking for the Markers box, which is here in the Show group. Click the Spark Line Color button, which is here in the Style group. And we're going to choose Black Text 1. Click cell A1. Change the page orientation to Landscape. So we're going to click on the Page Layout tab. In the Page Setup group, we're going to click on Orientation, change it to Landscape. We're going to save and close. Now we're going to upload the file. Good job. If you have any questions, you got my cell phone number, you know where my office is, and you have my office number. Please don't hesitate to give me a call. That's why I'm here, is to help you. Y'all have a great night.